This photo won the 2020 OCEAN Photography Awards. A cub puma admiring his mother. Brown bear and wolf spotted hunting together and sharing spoils over 10 days in Finland. Sea sheep are one of the few animals that use algae to photosynthesize. Pink robin. Sleeping elephant family, rare visuals. Turtle dove. Swimming jaguars. Beekeepers in France found themselves in a sticky situation after bees from their hives began producing honey in shades of blue and green. The Canadian snow lynx, protected under the Endangered Species Act. Rare pygmy possums just got rediscovered after fears that bushfires wiped them out. Where there is love, there is hope. This rare zebra foal was born with spots instead of stripes. Cute but deadly snow leopard in action. Isle of Skye, Scotland. The photo of totality in Oregon by photographer Jasmine Lyon-Mander. A once-in-a-lifetime shot of an owl. This agate stone looks like the ocean. Stoat in Switzerland. The Hawaiian surge wrasse doesn't even look real. The neon coloring is totally natural.
SlideShow of Animals on YouTube is a place for everyone who loves animals. New videos posted daily.